Hey Tech Geeks, welcome back to Tech Geek Life. In today's video, I'll be covering the top 20 most asked interview questions on Node.js. These questions come up often in technical interviews, and I'll break down each answer with clear, concise explanations. Let's get into it. What is Node.js? Node.js allows JavaScript to run on the server thanks to Chrome's V8 engine. It's known for being asynchronous and non-blocking, which makes it perfect for handling multiple connections simultaneously without slowing down. What is NPM? NPM stands for Node Package Manager. It helps you install libraries, manage dependencies, and keep track of project packages in package.json, simplifying development. Explain the event loop in Node.js. The event loop allows Node.js to execute multiple tasks without blocking. It manages tasks by pushing them to a queue and processes them only when the stack is empty, making Node.js very efficient with resources. What are streams in Node.js? Streams allow you to read or write large amounts of data piece by piece instead of all at once. There are 4 types of streams: readable, writable, duplex, and transform. They are often used for file operations and networking. What is a callback in Node.js? Callbacks are essential in Node.js for handling asynchronous tasks. Instead of waiting for a task to finish, Node moves on to the other task and calls the callback when it's done, keeping the process fast and efficient. Explain middleware in Node.js. Middleware functions are like checkpoints in your request handling pipeline. They allow you to perform tasks such as authentication, logging, and data parsing before the request reaches the main root handler. What is REPL in Node.js? REPL allows you to quickly test code snippets. You type in JavaScript code and REPL reads it, evaluates it, prints the result, and loops back, making it great for debugging. Explain the role of modules in Node.js. Modules help you split your code into organized paths. Node.js has built-in modules like FS for file system and HTTP for creating servers, making development faster and more manageable. What is package.json? The package.json file lists your project dependencies, scripts, and metadata like version and name. It's essential for sharing a project and dependencies and keeping dependencies consistent. How does Node.js handle concurrency? Node.js handles multiple tasks with non-blocking I/O and a single-threaded event loop, meaning it can manage thousands of connections without needing multiple threads. What is cluster module in Node.js? The cluster module enables Node.js to use all CPU code by spawning multiple processes. Each process handles a portion of the load, improving application performance on multiple core systems. Explain error handling in Node.js. Errors in Node.js can be caught using callbacks. The try-catch block for synchronous code or catch with promises. Handling errors well is critical to ensure smooth application performance. What is async await in Node.js? Async and await are used to simplify asynchronous code. They make your code look synchronous and improve readability. Handling errors with try-catch for easier debugging. What is buffer in Node.js? Buffer is used to manage raw binary data. This is helpful when dealing with file systems or networking where you need precise control over data processing. How do you create a server in Node.js? To create a server, import the HTTP module, then use http.createServer function and listen on a specific port to start responding to requests. Explain require and import in Node.js. Require is part of common.js, which import in ES6 syntax. Both are used to import modules, with require commonly used in Node, though ES6 modules are supported as well. What are promises in Node.js? Promises are an alternative to callbacks, allowing you to handle asynchronous code in readable way with .then for success and .catch for errors. What is the use of set timeout and set interval in Node.js? Set timeout delays function execution while set interval repeats it at intervals. Both are non-blocking, so other code can continue running. What is CORS and why it is important? CORS stands for Cross-Origin Resource Sharing. It's essential for security, enabling controlled access to resources from different origins, which you can manage with headers or middleware like CORS and Express. And that's our top 20 Node.js interview questions covered. I hope you feel more confident tackling these questions in your interviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech insights. See you in the next video and happy coding!